In this video, you'll learn how to send messages using Google Chat on the web. Whether you want to message one person or start a new conversation, this step-by-step guide will help you get started quickly. First, open Google Chat by going to chat.google.com in your browser. To send a message to someone, click on their name in the chat list. If you don't see their name, click Start a Chat and enter their name or email address. Suggestions may appear as you type. If you're using Gmail, you can click New Chat instead. You can also use the search bar labeled Find People, Spaces, and Messages to quickly locate someone by name or email. To send a message to someone outside your organization, simply enter their email address. Once you select the person, type your message in the chat box and press Enter on your keyboard, or click the Send icon. Google Chat may also suggest quick responses called smart replies. You can click one to send it instantly or type your own custom message. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to thumbs up the video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment if you have any questions.